Good morning, guys. It is now 2,000 days, 5.5 years since I quit my job, sold my stuff, and began traveling. And that is crazy to me, but also so rewarding, and I'm so grateful to be able to do this. This is also the beginning of the next kind of phase of my YouTube channel. And although that doesn't make sense right now, let me explain. Okay, and welcome back to Bali. It feels good to be back, and after spending a month going through Europe, I know I said I was going to be based longer term in Bali, and then I ended up doing loads of things back in Europe in the cold in winter. Now it feels good to finally be back and ready to go with the stuff I want to do here. So first I need to introduce you to John Chang.
Hello.
This is my mate. He's been in a few videos before, but we actually started off backpacking together like 5.5 years ago.
Yeah.
And now John has just quit his job to travel the world with me, and we're gonna go do things and create videos and do loads of awesome stuff.
It's gonna be real, man. It's gonna be
It's gonna be real.
real.
We're proper sweating right now.
Wow.
Like, yeah, this is in direct sunlight, but wanted to get this intro to just introduce you being back to Bali. We came into the shade, but I think now we look more like a BT Sport or Sky Sport channel.
Well, exactly. Gary. It's quick, it's fast, and he's got pace.
You'll be all over the place to the back. You couldn't play left back, you couldn't play right back, you couldn't score for it in the month of Sundays.
What accent was that?
I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, okay, so like John got here a few days ago, but we call him John Chang or JC, but not that JC. So tell me, why did you quit your job?
Because Bali's better. Yeah, so I kind of got the bug when we first went travelling, really. So, you know, I've always wanted to do it, but it's just I never found a viable way to do it, you know, continuously, I suppose. Like yourself. And I just thought I'd make a go of it this time. You know, just try it. Just, you know, take the risk.
Yeah. So I quit my job to travel like 5.5 years ago, and like while I can still remember kind of how it felt, John is now very fresh to that.
Yeah.
So like, and also the things I was doing at the time then to be able to work online and whatever is very different to what they are now. So kind of one of the things I want to do on this channel and in other places over the next few months is showing John different ways to make money online that you can do it right now, and kind of starting fresh from someone that has just quit their job to travel and travel continuously. Yeah?
Yeah.
No pressure.
yeah, exactly.
So like I said at the beginning, this is the next part of my YouTube channel. I gotta lean like that because the sun's above me. You know it's gonna be better. I'm gonna head back and film inside. So I've been traveling now for 5.5 years, and I can confidently say that I can make money online, and I'm able to now travel and live wherever I wanted to. This was my initial aim when I started out, something that seemed entirely unachievable. Well, not unachievable because I went out to do it, but something that seemed very difficult to do because I had no idea how to do it. Not a lot of people were doing it at the time, and it was just kind of an unconventional choice that I really didn't know what I was doing. And so to now be in this position 5.5 years later, where I can say that I can live wherever I want, is something I'm immensely grateful for. But now I kind of have to decide what I want to do for the long term. Do I want to just continue traveling and making money and staying in that cycle of, it's a nice position to be in, but does it really motivate me? And I figured out the answer was not especially. When I started this YouTube channel, I wanted to show people how to travel continuously and how to make money online. I wanted people to learn as I learn, making videos about how to do that. And now I want to get back to that. I think that my long-term thing for this and outside of this YouTube channel is I want to help more people to be able to travel continuously, not just through YouTube and not just through video, but there are a million ways to make money online now, even from small amounts to huge amounts if you wanted to. And I really want to get back to that. And that's kind of gonna be my long-term focus for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Who knows? I don't want to say that it's going to be my focus for the next 15 years, because who knows, things change. But right now, that's what I want to focus on, and that's what I'm spending time building in the background now. It is a useful, like a truly useful resource to help people to be able to travel continuously. And so there's going to be some more content around that on this channel. I still want to do the epic trips, and I still want to go and just do stupid videos because I find that fun. But I also want to try and help people to travel continuously in different ways. I feel like after 5 years of traveling myself, it's time to share as much as possible about what I've learned and how I've done it. Now that's all I want to say right now. I'm not gonna just spout off all the stuff I'm gonna do. Instead, I'm gonna actually go and do it, and you'll see through my doing rather than just me telling you. Like I said, I'm also doing this with my friend John Cheng, and I feel like there's somewhere I need to go back to that I went to before to explain this further. All right, so you don't know where we're going?
I have no idea.
Okay, cool. Well, it's only 2 hours away, so follow me.
All right, sweet.
Okay, we are arrive.
What?
Arrive.
What's that?
Arrived.
You have reached your destination.
Hello. I'm sure you're wondering why I brought you here.
I am indeed.
Right, okay. No, I do actually need to tell you. Like, I came here the first time about 4.5 years ago.
Right.
So I came here that like first week after we left each other in Australia.
Oh, really?
And like I came here and like coming to Bali.
Yeah.
I ended up staying in Padang Bai, which is just down the road, and then walked up here randomly to just like check it out, and stumbled across this place, and I thought, wow, it's so cool. And like no one knows about it.
Yeah.
No one comes here. But it was like, wow, this is amazing. But being on like a super budget like I was at the time, all I did is got an iced tea.
Yeah.
And then like came here and got an iced tea and worked for 5 hours on my laptop and just like had this view behind me, and thought, okay, well,
beautiful.
I'll come back another time once I've started making money online and once I've started being able to do this properly. I'll come back and like have it in another way. Yeah, just came in here, bought an iced tea, got on the Wi-Fi, and now I'm working from here. So now we're back.
First time back. Since.
No, it's not. Like I did actually. It's one of those sort of places where I've come back at different stages, and like I've come back a few times just to sort of see. I don't know. I think there's a couple of places like you sort of go through in your life, and then you come back to them at different points. So, like,
for sure.
You know what I mean? So yeah, and now it felt kind of poignant because you're about to do this, and you're like now in the same position I was 4 years ago. And it felt like a good point to start all of this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Wicked. I see.
And the thing is, like, the menu is not even that crazy expensive,
it's cheap,
you know.
It's as expensive as Canggu.
Yeah, but it was just that was the point at the time.
Yeah,
it was like yeah, exactly. It was like had no money whatsoever, and I was trying to live on like $5-10 a day. So to spend $5 on a meal, which is no big deal if you're earning, was a lot. Let's get food first, and then we'll chat. Inspecting it. Cool. So, I mean, this is like actually the first time people are kind of meeting you.
Yep.
So,
hello.
This is John Cheng.
What's going on?
But now you decided to come and travel long term, continuously from now.
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Just why not? I mean, I don't know. I think I've always wanted to. I think when you and I first went traveling, it was always something that I wanted to do, and like I went back out to travel as well for a little bit, but you just kept running out of money, mainly, and then I saw that I saw obviously followed you since you started, realised you've managed to do it, seen other people do it, so I figured why not? Let's try and do something other than just the boring stay-at-home jobs. Yeah, just looking to start making money as well, really, as soon as possible.
What do you want to do with it?
Just online, I suppose. Like, I'm planning on starting a YouTube channel as well, and trying it out on other types of social media, and obviously, with help from you, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of this together.
Yeah.
So we're going to be traveling together, making videos together.
Yeah.
And there's also going to be quite a bit of a change on this channel, but we're going to get to that. Not a huge change, still me, but just like you'll see some slightly different videos. But yeah, man, I'm excited.
So am I, man.
This is like an intro back to Bali. And by the way, more people should come here. Good.
Good to go, man. Ready?
Inspiring.
What's inspiring?
Just being here.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
That's alright. Let's go. Okay, that's it for this week. I'm going to be back same time next Sunday. I'm going to keep this as a weekly vlog. If you want to learn more about how you can travel continuously, then go to the top line in the description and there'll be some more information available there. For now, thank you for watching.